November whiteboard wall quotes. Grateful hearts, cozy days, and fresh reflections. November, the month of grateful hearts, cozy days, and fresh reflections. It's that time when the air cools, the coffee feels warmer, and gratitude comes easier. This month, let your whiteboard wall become more than just a surface. Let it be your reflection board. A space to write what you're thankful for, your goals, or simple reminders of joy in the everyday. Whether it's a quote that grounds you, like, "Gratitude turns what we have into enough," by Aesop. Or one that sparks your drive, like, "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can," by Arthur Ashe. Each word you write becomes a part of your mindset, fueling creativity, focus, and positivity through the season. So, take a moment today. Write down your blessings, write down your dreams. Let your wall remind you how far you've come and how bright the rest of the year can be. Because with every word you write, you're not just decorating your wall, you're designing your mindset. Ready to turn your wall into a space for inspiration? Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com today.